excited to introduce you to this stunning property that is sure to exceed all of your expectations, located right here in Mount Vintage, North Augusta, South Carolina. This over 4,400 square foot home has over 5 bedrooms and is set on the perfect secluded home site, providing you with elegance and seclusion from all of your neighbors. Trust me, this is one you do not want to miss. Let's take a look inside and see what makes this home truly exceptional. For more information about this property and others, please feel free to contact me. I am Joe Seaman with the J Properties Group, brokered by Mabon Real Estate. My contact number is 803-270-7583. Call me, text me, email me, DM, comment below this video, and I'll be glad to talk to you.